I'm not the beauty guru. Okay? I'm the myself guru. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching something about Alicia, and I am Alicia. Today I have a non-guru fall makeup tutorial for you guys. I was recently inspired by Alicia Curry because she did an interview with Bazaar magazine, and she was talking about everything she eats in a day, and I loved the simplicity in her makeup. I loved her bold fall lip. I loved her nice wash of color on the eyes, and I really wanted to recreate that and bring it to you guys because I'm a sucker for a natural, easy, non-guru makeup look. Because raise your hand if you have a hard time getting your eyebrows on fleek. Raise your hand if, you know, that bright under eye highlight that everyone just achieves so easily is hard for you to do. And raise your hand if you like Alicia Curry. And if you said yes to those, or you raise your hand, this is the video for you. So I wanted to recreate her look, and that's what we're doing today. This is my nice fall Alicia Curry inspired makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to get started is with my base. I like to go in with my MAC Strobe Cream. And then the next thing I like to go in with is correcting. Now, with my face, I have freckles, I have moles, and sometimes the moles look like dark spots and the dark spots look like moles. So it's just, I got a lot going on. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm just gonna go over all my dark spots because I wanna have a flawless base. So now I'm gonna go with a setting powder. I like to go in with a clear setting powder. And most people don't know to do this, but you should go in and you should set where you corrected. Go in and set it. So when you put your foundation on top, it doesn't budge. It's just like how you set your foundation. Same method. So now that I have my corrector done, my primer on, my corrector, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm going to be using the Skin by Mented in T10. So I'm gonna spray my brush. You can literally just use water if you want to, but I'm gonna spray that, and then I'm gonna just go right in on my brush. This is just how I like to do it because I can kind of control the coverage, rather than just sliding all over my face and then like, oh crap, I have too much. I can kind of control how everything looks. And then I like to go pat over the areas that I had put corrector. Pat, I'm not rubbing because I don't want to disturb anything. Pat right over that. And I'm gonna just keep on going before I reapply to my brush. I'm gonna see how far I could go with just one application. I'm gonna go back in and apply more, but this is pretty much half of my face with my Skin by Mented foundation. And here's the other half that I haven't did yet. So one half with just what I did, and then the other half, so. So this is how my base is looking. I like it so far. I'm very happy with it. And I haven't used a lot of product. My dark spots are covered. So that was Skin by Mented. This is a black-owned brand. I love them. I have their blush too. I'm going to use it later. So I'm going to just go back in to my palette I have here, my complexion palette. I'm going to go in with this Sephora. I think it's a concealer brush, honestly. I got it from Sephora. But I'm going to kind of like mix the two shades over here, because, well, not really over there. These two shades, because I don't want it to be too light under my eye. I usually get darker like in the inner corner, outer corner area, and I kind of like to go in like that and just dab that. I'm gonna go in with a mineral powder to set my face. So far, I'm liking my base. And now I have to go back in and do my brows. I'm gonna do a little blush and the eye that Aisha had. Next, I like to go in with a nice bronzer. I like to use a smaller brush because I can kind of control it. But what I do is I just smile a little bit. We have that. I'm gonna go in with the blush I was telling you about. This is Peach for the Stars, and this is Peach Please by Mented. So I'm gonna take a little of this and put it on my hand and kind of use it as a base for my blush, because for some reason, blush does not stay on me. It don't stay on me at all. So I put it on my hand, I take a little brush, and I rub it in like that. And I go in the apples of my cheeks and kind of give it a nice base to stick to. Because just powder will not do it for me. It already did a little something. I'm gonna go back in with the blush now. And I love this blush, it's so pretty. Okay, that's blush. So now my eyes are looking hella bare. I'm gonna go and do my brows now. Like I said, I'm not the beauty guru, okay? I'm the myself guru. I could do me. All right, so we got the brows taken care of. We can start with the eyes. So Aisha had a very, very simple eye base. It was brown, so I'm gonna go in with this taupey color. This is the old school color tattoo, Urbanite. Old school with it. I need a base because I told you guys I have hooded eyes, and I can't put eyeshadow just on my eyes and just go on by my day. I can't even put concealer on my eyes and go on by my day. I need like a legit thick base. So I apply that with my finger and I just rub it out a little. Same to the other side. And Aisha, whoever did her makeup, maybe it was herself, maybe it was someone else, but And then she had a nice soft brown on her eyes, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm thinking about just using this palette I have here, and there's this color in the top corner is called Ombre, so I'm thinking about using that right here, and then I'm gonna just blend it up and use everything on my brush. Blend it up. Her eye was very, very neutral. I loved it. I live for like a neutral, natural look. Very, very mild, smoky in the corner. Very, very little bit. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go back in with the same color and just hit the corners. So I'm gonna kind of like build it up a little bit. I like that. That looks good. I like that. So very, very wash of color, very natural. Build it up in the corners. Anybody could do this. I like that. So that's all she had to her eyes. She didn't even have any eyeliner. She had absolutely nothing else. But me personally, I'm gonna go back in a tight line, and then I'm gonna go and add a little mascara, and then I'm gonna add my lip, and then we're gonna be done. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Honest Beauty lengthening mascara, because I have very short lashes, which also can be frustrating. So I'm gonna go in, curl my lashes first. Curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna apply the primer that comes with this. Now I'm just gonna go in with the mascara. Yeah, like, I have a hard time with my lashes, trying to get them to stay, show up for me, you know, have my back. Now I'm going to try and achieve the lip she had. It was so pretty. It was so pretty, but I really feel like it had like a burgundy vibe to it. So I'm gonna go in with this burgundy liner. I'm gonna go in with a little burgundy lipstick too. You could leave it like this, but I really want to get that look she had. And she had like a brown, so I'm gonna go with this brown liquid lipstick, Maudie, I guess it's called, Maud. Yeah. That's exactly what she had. Okay, Aisha. Okay, Aisha. Okay, we looking good. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. This is my fall recreation of Aisha Curry's Bazaar magazine video. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Peace, love, and light. Mwah.